Hello and welcome to week 6 of CIS 108. This week we talked about technology integration and you have some materials and resources available in your folder. Please go back and review all the resources. In particular, you're going to want to watch the Reimagining Classroom videos if you haven't already. It's a great summary of some of the content we've been learning this semester, and it also reminds you of specific areas to focus on for tech integration. The new topic we talked about this week was personalization, differentiation, and individualization. And there's a great chart here by Bray and McClaskey that offers us an overview of the differences between each. You're going to need to understand these concepts for this week's assignment. The assignment for week 6 focuses on developing a technology-enriched learning environment based on a case study. So the first step for the assignment is for you to carefully review the case studies that are outlined here. You're going to select one of interest to you based on an age or classroom environment that appeals to you. The case study presents a unique situation and a problem that you will solve, assuming the role as the classroom teacher. The resources provided here are several links with various apps to support learners in different ways. You can draw your tool that you'll use from this pool of resources this week, or one that you've been exposed to previously in the class or in your experience. Finally, the specific steps that you should consider for the case study are as follows. 1. You're going to let us know as an audience which of the scenarios you chose. Secondly, you need to review the resources and determine which technology or app you're going to use to solve the issue in the case study. Then I want you to think about if the solution that you decide upon, the app that you choose, is a tool for personalization, a tool for differentiation, or individualization. If you think that it could fit for multiple options here, be sure to tell us why. If you select one, tell us why you think this tool fits specifically with that category. You should reference the PDI chart that I showed you that is located in your Week 6 folder. And finally, you're going to tell us how you'll use the technology or app that you selected to solve the issue in the case study. So if you're creating a specific activity, or if you're sharing a specific activity with a group of students, you're going to show us exactly what you would do. You don't have to create a lesson plan, but you should give us enough detail so we understand how the students will be using that activity to solve the issue presented in the case study. To represent your work or answer the 4 questions that we just talked about, you have 3 choices. You can add this to your blog on your ePortfolio website. You're going to use a paragraph format, and of course, you know by now how to use hyperlinks and images to brighten up your blog content and make it more appealing to your audience. You could do a slideshow using Google Slides, PowerPoint, Prezi, any of the slideshow visuals that you'd like to use. You're going to tell us the answers to your questions, probably one per slide, in a quick presentation, and be sure we have enough information to understand what's happening. You may also do a voiceover and record with your voice in each slide. PowerPoint has this feature built in. If you choose to do a Google Slides or other tool, you can do a voiceover using Screencast-O-Matic, which is a free recording software. Finally, you could choose to do a video. You could either record the voiceover of a slideshow or other visual, or record yourself answering the questions in order to resolve the case. Regardless of which way you represent your work in a blog, slideshow, or video, you must post it to your ePortfolio and you must answer all 4 parts of the question to the assignment. I look forward to seeing your innovative ideas and as a cumulative experience from this technology course. Good luck!